everyone, it's DP Addiction Adventures with Jennifer. So as you guys would notice, you are seeing a complete diamond painting. Before I dive into it, I just wanted to let everyone know who has been a subscriber for quite some time. I was able to change my channel name to what I originally hoped to have it to be, which was DP Addiction Adventures. However, many of you know me as Jennifer Roberts, so if you're searching for it, I added the with Jennifer Roberts. So eventually down the road, I'll probably get rid of the Roberts part, just a little bit for anonymity down the road if our family gets larger. Now I know there's plenty of videos out there that have my last name. That's fine. I'm not really trying to hide, but it just helps me feel better, okay? So, all that to say, I am done with what I'm calling my pink tulips. The reason this came so fast after this little light of mine is I had basically most of this done except for like two little parts down here. I was trying to get it completed before October 1st for a diamond painted along I was part of, but I didn't quite complete it, and I didn't want to waste any time. I wanted to jump right in on October 1st, and you had to use a new painting. So this got put on hold, and then as soon as I was done with this little light of mine, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to finish this one up really quick so I can get the drills put away and get some more storage containers, because I don't want to keep buying the containers. Now the containers I use are normally like this. They're from Harbor Freight. Down below I have a link that will take you there. There's 24 in each, and the majority of the time I use these. I do have a couple I got on Amazon for $5 as an add-on. I do not have the link for this, forgive me, but they come, I think this is like 5, 10, 15, 20, 28, but it doesn't hold as much. So I usually keep the rhinestone ones in here, my rhinestone project. And also I do the diamond painting stickers, and if you've seen my video of these, the letters and the colors are all the same, so more power to you. I have an unboxing video of the pink tulips. I will put it up here in the corner for you guys if you want to go watch it. Let's see here. So it was pre my review sheet. Again, if you want a copy of this review sheet sent to you, down below is my email address. Just shoot me a quick email and I'll send it off to you. When I do send it, it'll usually have my latest, because I just send you my newest copy. It'll have my latest project in it, and you can just delete that and copy and paste your own project. I noticed I forgot to put the color number up here. Okay, so this I called Pink Tulips. It is a lovely 40 by 50 centimeter. It was not a custom. The drill type is square. It is full, as you can see. It has 34 colors. I purchased it from AliExpress, but the store was Zooya official store. I have found that Zooya is hit or miss. I have not had any bad experiences with them, but I do know a couple other YouTubers have. The sale price, because AliExpress always has everything on sale, right? So the sale price when I bought this was $12.75. However, I had a $2 coupon, so it ended up being $10.75. Zero shipping cost. I purchased it on March 28th, 2018. It shipped on March 30th, 2018, and I received it April 26th, 2018, so 28 days. I purchased 3 paintings in the same order. This was one of 3. 2 of the 3 paintings, which this was one of them, came in that 28 days. The third painting was separate, and that came like 7 or 8 days later, so it was much longer. I started this September 2018. I don't remember the exact date, and I finished it January 30th, 2019. I'm not going to count days because I left myself a note that I didn't work on it at all October through most of January. I think I restarted this like January 25th or somewhere around there when I finished this little light of mine. But for consistency's sake, because I love to have consistency, I wanted at least to write that information down. I did not do an unboxing review. I need to go back and watch my own unboxing to give this a star rating. I do know I would have given it a 0.75 for canvas. The feel, the size, the glue, the symbols, all of that was good, but not great. Great is somebody like a Diamond Dots or Diamond Art Club that may have like stitching around the side so it doesn't shred down the road, or just a couple other things. The drills, I don't know what the packaging was as far as if the numbers were readable. I want to say yes, but I need to go watch that. Shipping time, because it took over 21 days, which is my standard, even though AliExpress says anywhere between 30 and 60. If it's over 3 weeks to get to me, because that's about the average, for every week over the 3 weeks, I drop it a quarter of a star. So that would be 0.75 stars. Advertising of the product. Did I get what I wanted? Absolutely. It's beautiful. As you can see the picture here, you know, it did a pretty good job. Overall impression on the unboxing, I gave it a 1 because from what I see here, that's what I would have given it. But I don't have a total for the unboxing star rating because I need to go back and see the drill quantity and packaging and were the numbers readable. Excuse me. If you're a new subscriber, you'll know most of my videos you will not get through without me yawning at least once. I consider that my trademark. For post-review star rating. Alright, let's get into this. Canvas glue. Was it completely sticky, or were there slippery spots, rivers, bubbles, etc.? The canvas glue was perfect. This was part of it. It was not a clear cover, so it was the double-sided tape, but it was great. No overlap, no rivers, no bubbles. It was a beautiful canvas to work with. Gave it a full star. Symbol clarity. The symbols, perfect clarity, could see every single one of them. My only issue, but I did not take anything off for, is they used mostly symbols, but they did use a couple letters. And the letters that they used was like K and R, and they used both of those in pink. So they were together a lot. They used O and C, and it was like the C this way, sorry. The C was like the big, nice circular C, so it looked just like an O. If you weren't paying attention, or if one of your drills was a little bit too far over. And those were both like this light green area. And then there was one other one. Oh, E and B. E as in Edward, B as in boy. And those were like these light browns to give it shadow. And a lot of those were close together. They were very clear though, so you just had to pay attention and you would be fine. So I didn't take anything off. Drill quantity or quality, did I run out? I gave it half a star. The reason I gave it half a star is that the drills were extremely holy. Like, there were really big holes in the drills. This is some of my trash. This is all the trash I had for like this little part right here that I did. I think I threw the trash away back in, September. I wasn't going to keep it around. And so when I came back to redo this and I had my easel and my lighting was a little bit better, I actually went back and took out some that had huge gaping holes. Another thing too is I left myself a note, 2 of the colors I almost ran out of. There's probably 10 to 15 of one color, and in this box there's like 1 that I almost ran out of. So that's why I gave it half a star. Design success, full star. I think the design is great. I think you would not want to go any smaller than the 40 by 50 because up close, of course, it is still a little pixelated, but through the camera it looks beautiful. I think in the portfolio it's going to look beautiful. If I ever wanted to frame it, great. Gave it a full star. And the experience, I had a lot of fun doing this. I loved the different colors. They had a lot of depth in these greens and these browns to promote shadows. I had a good experience there. What I really liked about this is there were large areas of the same color, but yet there was also some confetti. But because of the large areas that bled into the confetti, I wasn't going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth between colors. So that was really nice of how they did their layout. Yeah, I think that's it. So my post-review star rating is a 4.5. I'm pretty sure, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure the unboxing review will be a 4.5 as well. So overall, this is a 4.5. So anything that's a 4-star or over, I would repurchase. Let me see here. There were no oily drills. The square size was actually very consistent. Sometimes you get diamond paintings where maybe the machine was off a little bit, or you get smaller squares and larger squares. They did a very good job of having it be very consistent. So yeah, that's basically it. I won't take too much more of your time. But that is my post review for the Zooya official store. 4.5 stars, and my pink tulips are beautiful. I may do a sealing video with this one. I haven't decided if I'm going to seal this one or not. I need to do my rolling pen on it. But yeah, if I do, I will keep you posted. I know a lot of people have asked for a video where I seal the painting. So stay tuned. That is coming. It is in the back of my mind, but I have to figure out. I do go back and forth. If I'm going to frame it and it's behind glass, I usually do not seal it. However, I also have this really big fear that 3 years from now I'm going to bend a canvas and the glue is going to be brittle underneath and all of these things are going to fall off. And so I tend to seal everything, even though I just said that I don't seal everything. So just being honest here. So I'm still going back and forth on if I'm going to seal this or not. I most likely will, and I will keep you posted if and when I do. So until next time, be blessed, have a wonderful day, and I will see you later.